Honeycomb, you refine it in such a way that some oil comes out, that is the wax, and the wax is used to make things like candles and things like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand.
You understand?
I didn't know the word in English.
Oh, okay. So he's saying there's a problem of extracting the wax. As we used to do at times, it takes a whole day to come out with 2 kilograms of wax.
Yes, it's too strenuous.
In a local way.
Local word, because you press the...
Yeah, you have to boil it, then you look for a strong rag, then you put the content inside and press so that wax should ooze out, and the remains you throw away.
Okay.
It takes some time, and it is strenuous.
And the demand of wax is too high, but where can we get the wax?
The demand is high.
It's high, yes. The demand is high.
So I
And
think
they have a lot of remains that can be done, can be extracted. Normally we want people to help us to have a machine and extract.
an extractor.
Yes, which can extract the wax or honey. And the way we extract the liquid too sometimes is unhygienic, because if you don't really wash your hands well after extracting the liquid, you see that your hands are very clean. But you see, so it is unhygienic.
That's
If
why
you don't take a special care.
I was talking about hygiene, sanitation, food and nutrition in the whole program. It is very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is propolis.
Okay.
Propolis is good for when the bees colonizes, either in a natural cavity or in a hive, then there is a hole. They use this propolis to seal the hole. Yes. But when your hive doesn't have holes, you will not have a propolis. So if you want to get propolis, there's another method. Of course, when we go down the farm, I will show you how we get the propolis. Yes.
This one is done manually. So that it becomes like this. All the honey comes out.
Yes, the demand is too high. Even the liquid honey, right now they need honey. Because the honey.
But you sell the honey that exceed your consumption, or you stock it? How do you?
We don't stock it, because the moment you harvest, the buyers, customers come and take.
Okay.
So there's no way to store. How can you stock it? As I'm telling you now, they need honey. If I harvest, will I stock it? I'll just pass it. Yes. But my interest is on that wax, because the more I can produce wax, the more interest I will want my hives to be colonized so that I get the honey, yes, and so on. That is the production of wax will now motivate me. Arani kotama mu. The one you open like this, then you tap. When you tap, you realize where the good honey is. Arani kotama mu.
And
Kana anambeta.
Obi machi wenye. Machi.
Melo rot. Jana witu, ngani wakati kwa kawaida. Jana witu, lema wili, janeba.
Tuko hivi.
Janeba. We did not need the flame, but we need smoke. So you have to put something there so that Janiva, we atandi wa atandi mbete jayo lina kendi we maija na itu. Until when they are tired.
When they are tired, you go.
Yes. There will be a time that they will not be so defensive. The cutlass. Ene tango ko to bindi ngutu ko mima wala. Ngweba nai eba wa ngana yo lu atiti wala ngawika mai tupe makoka. Can see melon. You have seen? Tindalangi itu. Then we use the knife. We use the knife to cut.
No.
The oil is not matured. It's not ripe. So many. It is only a gardener who can name them. I cannot name them. The one I know, I can only name them in a native language, such as Womba. You see, I planted them. What you say? They are there. This is one here. This is one here. That's another one. I have planted there so many. Like the Buakanga I showed you around the apiary. Yes. So there are so many. Yes, we have different flowers. In March, in May, June, we have a type of species of flowers which is produced by the tree called Womba and a core. I don't know the botanic name.
Policia fulva, that's the scientific name.
Yes, a core, and some other plants which I don't know their names.
Some of the medicinal plants, as you know, you have Pidadenastrum africana, Kigalia africana, Pronus africana, Musanga secopoid, Vocanga, and lots of other trees. They produce a lot of flowers nearly round the season, which the bees enjoy very much. And we also have tropical crops like coffee, cocoa. They produce good flowers.
And other kinds of ropes. So many kinds of ropes.
Yes, as well as ropes which are found in the forest. They also produce good flowers for the bees. But there are also some ropes or some plants which produce flowers that the bees do not take their nectar.
Yes, and those plants are visited by net flowers, the net insects or bees. Yes, but normally the bees play a lot of role. 75% of plant pollination is done by bees. The honey bees, of course.
It may interest you to know that we have more than one type of bees here. The honey bee is a very good example of the bee. Because of importance, we attach a lot of our importance as well to the honey bee. We also have local bees which produce minor type of honey. Some they produce honey on the ground, in the doors of houses, windows, and so on. But the most important is the honey bee.
The honey bee.